New equipment, new problems, I guess. So I'm just gonna have to learn from that and not do that again. What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Will, owner of Swift Solutions Pro Wash, and welcome back to another day in the life of owning a pressure washing business. Today we have got a 2-story house wash to start off with. It's a little muggy outside. It's about 55-ish degrees. I haven't checked in a minute, but we're gonna be at the customer's house in about 20 minutes. It is a 2-story wash, so I'm just hoping that there's not a whole lot of wind because I don't want cold mist to be hitting me in my face. It's supposed to warm up a little bit, but for the most part, we're just gonna have to deal with it. Today is actually my first time downstreaming. Well, it's not my first time. If you go check out the last video, I actually used the downstreamer for the first time, but the house really wasn't dirty at all. I mean, it had a little bit of mold in the soffits, but for the most part, there was no algae or anything for me to clean. I want to clean something, so hopefully I can get that done today. I'm super excited to use the new equipment, learn exactly how everything works, and I just hope it's a good day in general. This is pretty much all we've got work-wise on the schedule for today. After this, I'm gonna bring you guys along to hit the gym with me, record a little bit of B-roll, a couple of sets in there. Depending on how long that takes, I may record a couple of videos, depending on what time it is. I have a gender reveal later on for my girlfriend's sister, and you know we team boy over here, so you know you'll see me in the blue. But yeah, that's pretty much all we got on the schedule for today. I hope you guys enjoy. I actually ordered an external mic so that you guys could hear me a little bit better. The audio would be a little bit better with the wind and the cars going by and whatnot. So that's coming in today. I'm super excited for that. I have a couple of video ideas lined up, and that would really help me. So as of right now, I've just been using my AirPod, and it's decent audio, but I feel like sometimes you guys can't hear me when the wind starts kicking up and whatnot. So hopefully that'll help out a lot. Comment down below what you guys want to see. I kind of want to do like a day in the lives of owning a pressure washing business, but kind of make it like a vlog style, entertainment style video at the same time. So like you guys see my life afterwards outside of pressure washing, I guess. Like some equipment videos or how I've had success as such a young pressure washer, how I get jobs, how I get clients, as well as a couple either vlog style videos or just helpful pressure washing / business videos. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you like and subscribe so you can see more content like that. I plan on doing these day in the lives pretty often. I don't know, comment down below if you'd want to see that. We're gonna be at the customer's house in about 10 minutes, so I'll see you guys there. So we just got to the customer's house. As you can see, this is a beautiful Nocatee property. It's a 2-story house wash, so I'll take you guys along real quick to show you what we got. everything's going pretty smooth so far. I'm back for a refill on chemical. I just finished up this side of the house here and the back side as well, so I'm gonna start the front and finish up on that side over there. It's a little windy, so I'm not too excited to get those peaks up there, but I have a ladder, so I'll use that if I need to, and let's get straight into it. I don't know how much of that you guys seen, but that could have been really bad. I was switching tips. I'm not used to, switching tips. I'm used to just the impact twist. So whenever I went to switch tips, it wasn't all the way in, I guess. And whenever I went to pull the trigger, it blasted the tip off. And it actually flew into the house. It didn't cause any damage. Luckily, it wasn't the window. It was really close, but that was too close of a call. New equipment, new problems, I guess. So I'm just gonna have to learn from that and not do that again. Just finishing up my job too. I would have been so mad right at the end. Finished up that job. We're at Pinch a Penny now to refill on some chemicals for tomorrow. Another satisfied customer, so that's always great. We're gonna hit them up later to see if we can't get another 5-star review from them. That'd be awesome. We are on the way home from Pinch a Penny now. About to get to the gym. I want to bring you guys along with me today. I don't know if it'll be before or after this gender reveal, but it sounds like we're going pretty soon, so it may be after. I guess you guys will find out. We got new mics, son. Let's do an outside test. We got a slight breeze here. Another outside test. This thing is pretty good, honestly. Team boy.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It is 9 p.m., but you know where we are. If you made it this far in the video, comment what your favorite artist is. I want to know what y'all are listening to. Biceps are cooked. Let's move on to lats. Whew. My phone died as soon as I went to go hit my first back workout. I know I'm new to this. Give me a chance. But I'm going to make sure my phone's charged for you guys. We're finishing up our macros right now. Barbecue chicken quesadilla. But anyways, if you guys want to see more content like this, you know what to do. I'm going to head to sleep after I finish this. And I'll see you guys in the morning for another day in the life.